Guys, we're kind of back. DCT said make a series of this game, but I kind of deleted it. So I've got it again. And I've unlocked this. We power ups. So I'm just gonna start off with a bomb. Oh my gosh, I didn't see what it said. Yeah! What was that? What was that? Oh yeah, fish do spawn in if you thing the game. If you I don't know what the word was. Let's grab it. Yes! He grabbed it first. Should I sell him? Yeah, he's a mustard fish. Cowfish. What's a cowfish? Round fin. Oh my gosh, all of these I just do not... I don't know what this is. Is this a round fin? Ah, swooper. Yeah. I hate that little shark thing. I don't know what it is. Cuttlefish. Yeah. Please say that's a round fish. I might literally just selling everything I get. Ow, that sounds brutal. Like, let's try more bait. He'll probably. This guy will like it. Yeah. Guys, just swim up to the thing. Swim up. Come on, guys. Swim up. Heh. Round fin. So that down there. Okay, so I might just do that then. Too far. No. Oh, you can never escape that guy. Try catching a cowfish. What? Toss mustard back into. Oh no. Round fin. Come on, round fin. Yes. Okay, let's try something. Yeah. Grab it. Oh no, no one's grabbing anything. No. Yeah. Yes. Oh, he's 500. Six. Oh wait, this was another quest. No! I'll just do that routine again. Yes, grab it. I'm actually quite curious of what the bomb does. I'm gonna try and do it. Bomb time. Yeah! What does that do? Does it scare them away? I think it did. I didn't read it. What? Tools. Okay. There's quite a lot of quests. Temporary scare away pesky fish. Well, I scared away, round fins. Why? Oh no, that's right. Attach a rocket to your line to cast your bait further. I'm gonna do this. Yeah! Oh wait, that didn't go further. No! Catch it, dude, what's wrong? Whoa. Oh no, these guys are gonna catch it. I'm gonna time it right. No! This is just so weird, this game. All you do is just catch fish. It's actually quite entertainment. Like, I would get this game. 7 more quests. Cowfish is quite hard for the deep. Whoa! Did you see that gigantic yellowfish? Catch it, mustard. Oh no! Yeah. Oh. Run! I can't catch any mustard fish right now. Catch. Yay! I just want to see how low I can go. Yay! Oh, so close. I'm gonna sacrifice this guy. It's your big moment. Oh, wait, what? What happened? I think I sold him. No, guys, I need one. I need a bait before I can, doing that. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I am getting, whoa. I can't get smaller bait. I mean bigger. Yes, okay, now. No, that would not reach. Please say that went further enough. Yay! What? He just walked away. He walked away. Please. What? I think that'll be it, my fellow bug beans. TGP out.